back to my channel. My name is Carly Stevens. I'm the author of the young adult fantasy Firian Rising, and this is English Nerd. So, I just got back from my day at school, and I had this waiting for me. I'm super excited. It's the specialty Owlcrate for Call Down the Hawk, which just came out today. And one of the other teachers, the person who actually initially recommended the Raven Cycle to me, also was getting this box, but she wasn't out late last night, so she was able to open it early. So I've been trying to avoid spoilers, and I am super excited about this box. So let's find out. Also, I know that I didn't have a video yesterday. Normally Mondays are the day that my videos come out, but I knew this was coming, so I figured, oh well, there's still gonna be a video this week. Ooh, okay. How exciting. Call Down the Hawk specialty box in collaboration with Maggie Seabutter. Sweet. Okay, so first we have, it looks like a pillowcase or something. Let's see what it is. Gosh. Multiple pillowcases? One big pillowcase? I don't know. Let's see. Oh, it's two. Okay. All right. You are made of dreams. That's cool. Can you see that? Yeah. Is that it? And then there's another one. Oh, it's another one that's the same. That's actually kind of nice, because if you saw the adventure Owlcrate unboxing that I did in, what was it, June? You saw that there was a pillowcase with that as well, and I loved it, so I'm using it all the time. But now I have these, and they're really pretty. I like that a lot. Okay, let's see. Then we have a candle, love candles, night wash, which I assume will make more sense once I read Call Down the Hawk. It's not something from the Raven Cycle. It smells like blackberry, sage, and rosemary by Rose and Adder. Pretty nice, and it has one of those flickery wicks, you know, so that's cool. Yeah, it smells kind of blackberry-ish, like that. Next, oh, there's a beanie in here. Sorry, there's all kinds of that packing fluff, you know, trying to keep it contained so it doesn't get all over my room. Okay, let's see. Oh, cool. Okay. Here, look, it says Dreamer, and it has the trees and the ravens. It's like caves watery. I like it because it's not super in your face. I was a little bit afraid there was going to be something like this, but it was going to say the trees speak Latin or something. And, you know, as cool as that would be, I prefer the subtle nerd look, which is only subtle if you don't know what it is. But yeah, very cool. Okay. Next. Oh, there's a lot of stuff in here, as my friend from school told me. I told her no spoilers, but she did say there was a lot of stuff. Okay, so we have a pin. There we go, you can kind of see it. I'm not the world's biggest fan of pins. Like, I love the way they look, but what do you do with pins? So, let's see. It has two swords, and it says, Vex to Nightmare from Chaos. Okay, see that? It's a little hard to see with the light. Okay. All right, let's see. Ooh, this feels fancy. Check that out. Jewelry, perhaps? Oh, my Hamlet loving heart. Look at it. It's a skull with a raven on top. Oh, that's fabulous. Because it could be Hamlet-y or Raven Boysy. Oh, I'm gonna admit that's pretty awesome. My gosh, there's stuff in here. Okay, there is a keychain. I'm gonna just open it up so there isn't the same glare you were getting with the pin. Get rid of that. The Carter Hotel presents the Fairy Market. It looks like one of those hotel keys, the old-timey hotel keys. It reminds me of like Tower Hotel at Disney World or something. Okay, so this is going to be Call Down the Hawk. This is also not a Raven Cycle thing. But I hear the Call Down the Hawk is very Raven Cycle-y, which I'm glad about, because Maggie Stiefvater has some, I don't know, like the Raven Cycle works for me, but her style is so weird. Like, I don't know how it works, why it works, but I just love those characters so much. Ha ha ha! And then socks! Socks with the, you know, the symbol of 3 with all the chapters. So, person from work was definitely wearing these today. So I knew this was the only item I knew was in there because she had them on. She was all excited about the release. Oh, does it say something on the side? Oh, it says something in Latin on the side, but it's a little hard to tell without opening them all the way up. Alter idem tem quam. Okay, I took 1 year of Latin many years ago, so I'm gonna have to just find out what that means, because I don't know off the top of my head. Alright. Oh, there's even a Call Down the Hawk playlist, and it says where to find that. There's a box photo challenge. Okay, the last thing in here is the book. I'm gonna open that in just a second. I want to make sure that I got all the things. So we have a pendant necklace inspired by our favorite dream Raven, so chainsaw wherever you go. That makes me happy. Cozy socks in honor of the ley lines. Right, okay. The keychain that has to do, it sounds like it has something to do with Ronan's dream world. The keychain, like there are rooms inside, but I'll find out. The candle check inspired by the eerie substance. Oh, okay, so maybe that's the stuff that unmakes. I don't want to be spoilery if you haven't read the Raven Cycle. Okay. Beanie, subtly show off the Raven Cycle Dreamer Trilogy fandom. Matching pillowcases. The pin features swords that play a very important part of the story. You'll just have to read the book to find out how. Fair. Okay, and then the book. So here we go. Ooh, and it's a nice, pretty version. Whoops. Just flicking all that package stuff everywhere. I like this. I like this more than the original cover, because the original cover I think is orange. Orange and blue. My, Broncos fandom that's holding on appreciates those two colors. But I wasn't a huge fan of the cover, and the blue version is nicer. I like it. Okay, I'm gonna open. It's in this cellophane stuff because there is a letter from Maggie Stiefvater inside. So, I'm gonna read it to you. Dear Owls, guess that's me. I still remember one of the most terrifying moments of my life. I was a Spitfire college student with bad social skills and a worse attitude. Every day I commuted 1.5 hours to school until I found a shortcut. My goodness. The narrow road cut off a corner, there we go, and rejoined the main road later. If you went twice the speed limit, you could shave off 15 minutes. Well, I see where the road racing comes from. She actually has tried this. It was a bad idea, and I did it all the time. One day, I glimpsed another car ahead of me on this normally empty road. Stranger still was that it was identical to my car. Same make, model, color, and when I caught up at a hairpin turn, I saw that the driver was a slight young woman with hair just my color and a ponytail just like mine, squarish shoulders just like mine, drove just like me, and suddenly I was terrified. What if I caught her eye in the mirror and she had my face? I hit the brakes and let her tear off. 2 decades later, I still don't know why it scared me so bad. I do know that the moment I got home, I started writing a story, and that you are holding a box with that story in it now. I hope you like it. Maggie. Okay, well that's interesting. Alright. Call Down the Hawk. Very cool. It's signed, so let's see. Yes, it's signed. Very neat. Signed first edition. Love it. And got to see not only the front and the back, but also inside. Looks pretty cool. Nothing, earth-shatteringly different about the inside. Oh, wait, except Look how cool that is on the inside of the dust jacket. Okay. Alright, I'm very excited. I'm definitely going to start reading this tonight. Cool. Alright, well, thanks for sticking with me as I opened this special box. I don't think there's anything, no, there's definitely nothing more inside that box. It is completely empty, as you can see. Well, I'm excited. Hopefully you are too for the release of this book. And I will see you on Monday.